This is TWiT.
I am a fast mover on a smartphone, and I'm really tired of using apps that are super helpful but super bloated. Some apps I'm referring to that I'm specifically calling out are Google Keep and Pocket. Both are great apps that offer a bunch of utility, but at times I feel like they can take a while to load and I don't always have them instantly. So I wanted to find a clipboard manager that I could just like messily dump links and text into and then deal with later, just to have it archived somewhere without all the bloat. So I found Clipboard Manager Pro. It's $1.99, support your devs. There is a free version. I don't know what that's like. I always just pay the $2 because I believe in paying people for their hard work. Now, Clipboard Manager is extremely simplistic. So, Jason, have you managed to copy anything yet?
Well, sure. The infinity display is being taken to an incredible new level of edge curvature, is what I copied. A piece of text, and it added it to the clipboard.
And if you wouldn't mind expanding on that note... So just like an Evernote or a Google Keep, you can copy and paste as much text as you'd like. The way this works is,
I'm going to go in and copy some random text. Let's go nuts here.
Great publication.
Yeah.
So just copy anything.
I want all that.
And then just hit the copy.
Hit the copy.
Just hit copy.
New note has been created.
Yeah, okay. Then you got your
armor
little
vehicles.
Notification.
Yeah, there it is.
Mm-hmm. Go ahead and click into it.
Go ahead.
And there it is.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Boom,
so,
everything.
I really like, again, we move really fast on our phones. We don't want to take a long time just to save some quick clip. Android is still kind of clunky when you're switching between windows. It's just the mobile experience as it is now. And so this is a nice way to quickly, all you have to do is copy it and boom, it's saved as long as the app is running in the background. Now, that might be kind of annoying for you in some cases. I haven't quite figured out how to turn it off during a I don't need it basis, because the thing is this is how I like to use it. So I don't actually mind that it saves everything that I copy. One other little feature that they have there in the settings is that you can enable a keyboard. Now, because I'm on the Android Q beta, this app isn't 100% working the way it's supposed to. So I don't have the nifty, there you go. It lets you turn on the keyboard. I don't have the nifty ability to get the notification in the notification shade when the copying has been done. So what I've been doing is using this from the share menu. So if you can we just show from the share menu really quick how this works? So just actually go back and highlight some text.
Oh yeah, I didn't do that. Sorry. Here we go.
Okay. Highlight some important text, and then click on the More button in your share menu, and then you should get the share.
Should it be there? There's copy to clipboard.
Okay.
I think when I do the share button up there, it doesn't do it. Oh, there's share. Never mind. It's right there. Duh. It was right in front of me. Okay. Oh, but no, it's not giving me the extra thing.
Okay. That might be, maybe that's an Android Q thing.
It might be.
This is the problem with running a beta in the middle of the app or Android arena. Regardless, how about I just tell you about some of the other things that this app can do? So it's got auto clean for your clipboard content. So if you are kind of a messy copy and paster like me, you can go into the settings and configure auto cleanup, which is super helpful. You can easily import notes as you need. You can search your notes just by, just by looking for, let me pop in there. My side of the screen is a little blurry, so I can't quite see everything. There's also a dark mode.
Oh, yes, there is a dark mode.
There's also a dark mode. Yeah, so if you go into the main interface settings, there should be a dark theme toggle. So just scroll down a little bit.
No, I got it. I already have it on.
Okay. Oh, just kidding. It's dark theme right there. And then if you keep going under that, you'll see auto clean, and you can choose how often to clean after a month or a couple days. You can also do cloud backup. It will export your notes to a file, and then you can back that up wherever you would like to. And it's just it's a really helpful little utility to have on the phone. And you know what? I'm finding it a lot easier to use than any of those other super bloaty apps. And then if you want to add a note, you could just do so with the floating action button, which is the magic button on all Android devices.
I saw something cool here in Clipboard. If I go here, there's this little floating action button in here, and it has like a bunch of smart actions tied to it. So.
Yes, this is the other thing I meant to mention. Thank you for bringing that up, Jason. So actually, if you go back to that Chrome browser and highlight the text for me.
Okay. Stand by.
Okay, now you should see the actions. It should say, sorry, I'm like trying to get on the same page as you. 1 second. And my phone is not loading as fast as yours.
Smart actions.
Smart actions. There you go. So go ahead and tap on smart actions, and then you will get that whole dialog window. You can search it in Google. You can search your applications for this thing. You can translate it. You can show it on a map, or maybe you want to export it to Lyft. You can send it straight to navigation, or you could just simply add it as a new note. And because my Android Q beta is being kind of annoying with this app, I have been using smart actions to save things just until I get a fully stable version of Android on my phone. So that is pretty much Clipboard Manager Pro in a nutshell. I choose all my apps based on reviews and using them. And this one in particular, last update was was actually last year, but the reviews keep on flowing in, and it's GDPR compliant. So have at it. Hopefully they update in time for me on Android Q.
Yeah, I'm sure that they will. Clipboard Manager Pro, $1.99. There's a free version, but $1.99 for the Pro features. And yeah.
Good stuff.
Not bad. Clipboard Manager Pro.